Bonjour tout le monde and welcome in today's lesson, where we will be learning 5 different ways to say good morning in French. Greeting people properly is an important part of any language, so this lesson will help you start your day off right, whether you are speaking with friends or colleagues. Let's get started. The most basic French greeting is bonjour. Bonjour. This is the standard way to say hello or good morning when interacting with servers, cashiers, etc. Anyone you are on a polite term with. A more casual greeting for friends and family is salut. Salut. This is like saying hi in English. Use salut when speaking with people you are familiar with. Bon matin, bon matin means have a good morning. It's a cheerful way to greet loved ones first thing in the morning or when you pass someone on your way to work. Bonne journée, bonne journée means have a nice day. Wish people this as you are parting way to say a quick goodbye, while also sending them off with a nice sentiment. And for informal situation with the friends, especially young people, you can say Coucou, Coucou, which is like saying hi in English. So in review, we have Bonjour, Bonjour, standard hello. Salut, Salut, casual hi. Bon matin, Bon matin, have a good morning. Bonne journée, Bonne journée, have a nice day. Coucou, Coucou, informal hi. Use these 5 greetings appropriately depending on who you are interacting with, and you will be speaking French like a native in no time.